we were really into doing something innovative, intuitive, and fun. ODGER is a mix of wood and plastic. The whole ODGER project has been kind of a journey. We knew that we were going to do a chair that would work for a lot of people.
We definitely did more tests than usual in this project, especially when it comes to comfort. We wanted to have something that was great to sit in for as many people as ever possible. Because if the size of the seat is more generous, then you also sit better. The ODGER chair is one of the projects that I'm most proud of. It's a price that many people can afford, and the material is made in a sustainable way. ODGER is made out of wood plastic composite, where 30% of the material is wood, a renewable source, and at least 55% of its remaining materials is recycled plastic. It's been an interesting process when we developed it, and then also the end result, the chair.
I think it's beautiful. It's just easy, 3 clicks, and then you can sit on the chair already.
We're really pleased and proud to have been involved in this.
ODGER was anything but easy to develop, but it's probably the most obvious chair we ever made.